Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Robin from Stranger Things on Dress to Impress. I know the colors aren't exactly a match, especially the top, because I couldn't find blue stripes and the purple just didn't blend in with the outfit, so I did choose the red one. Let's get started with the video, removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is most of the items here. Actually, no, it's not most. I just did it on some items. For the hair, I just used this hair in BD9377 for both, I guess. I didn't do adjustments on that. For the hat, I used this hat in white, positioned the X to 0.48, Y 0.55, Z 0.43, rotated the X to 0.52, and scaled it to 0.42. For the outfit itself, I used this vest in the third toggle in this color 21215D in matte for both. I used these sleeves in this pattern, as well as this top over here in that same pattern. Then for the shorts, I did use this. I was going to use these, but it was too short and I didn't like it with that. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit different from the top. Maybe a little bit darker actually, so you can see kind of the difference. So I'll just do 16153D for the bottom here. Then for the shoes, I went with this in red and I just colored the rest white. Oh, and then also add the socks toggle to it as well. Then for the collar, I used this top in top only in white. And I also used this in the just color toggle in white. Oh, sorry, in red first. Let's do light silk actually, and then I'll do white, and then that red again, and then red and light silk. Then for the name tag, I use this choker over here in red, in matte as well. For the adjustments, position the X to 0.29, Y 0.22, Z 0.27, rotated the X to 0.51, Z 0.47. And then for the name, I know it says baddie, but obviously it's not going to say Robin, but select this color and select this necklace, this baddie one. You can either choose that or the queen one. Make sure you do that before you adjust it though. Color it the same as your vest color and then color the second white in matte. Position the X to 0.34, Y 0.4, Z 0.26. Rotated the X to 0.56, Z 0.47, and scale it to 0. Then I'm just going to grab the ice cream for props, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!